Nice one, Zoom user. I don't know what your name is. We just need this spy candle to wick also, and then Tesla to push it. Our risk is very defined, guys. 276 clean technical level. So just hold that. And, let's hope it is breaks. SPY is holding. Tesla still under our level.
Chopsticks, no data at 10 o'clock today. Just did it 2. We're clear till 2 p.m. I don't really see anything strong today.
Just muted. Tesla is needs to go to 275 here. I think it's waiting for a SPY down to maybe the 260, 562 would help it.
Guys, I just loaded my 562 puts on SPY for May 8th expiration. Actually, no, those are expensive. We'll do the 560 puts. 560 puts for May 8th expiration. That's 1 DDE. I want to see if we can get a failure trade off this 562 area. 560 puts loaded on SPY.
We're hovering around break even here, guys. On peak runners on Tesla. Just going to follow levels clean. This is still a weaker name. I want to see if we can catch a trend here. Green here again. The risk is about 3% on runners. Come on, let's get the trend. Come on, you know you want to die. Dumb. This down is fine. The level on SPY I have 561.64 to 562.
Yeah, it's here. This is the level. This is where it has to reverse. I was looking for a little bit higher though, like 60, 56, 58 on ES.
20 seconds. The candle close.
This is the start of the next hourly candle as well. I could just get starters, guys, and just add around when I see it fail, but give me a second. I want to see. This is the hourly candle here. All right, I got filled. I just got filled at 3.1 on SPY. I'm in starter size though. Just letting you guys know I'm in starter size.
I think you got timing right. Let's see. 275. Come on, Tesla. Give a trend. Give me a trend. Come on. Just break lows and I'll get out. Sitting at break even here on runners. Again, guys. This is very minimal on runner size. You want to sell the moment it reclaims if it does. I wanted to break lows though.
When I say 3.1 average, it means I have either orders placed around 3.1 to 3.2, or I just place bids, right? So like right now it's at 3.18. You can get filled here at 3.15. Anywhere in that zone is fine. That's where I'm looking to get filled. And now it's at 3.1. So now my orders that are sitting at 3.1 just got filled. I'm in starter size though. My average now is like around 3.14, which is fine. The thing is though, I do want to see us pushing a 562. That's kind of what I'm looking for. And then if we can fail 562, that'd be ideal. But I want to get some exposure now just to get in the position.
Nice. Come on.
Yeah, it just took 3.1 as well. So any orders that you had sitting at 3.1 probably got filled. How do you tell if a stock is basing for reversal or sitting and tapping demand like level 2? I don't watch level 2 for time and sales. Right now, we're just sitting under a supply. So my approach here is either get in short or wait for us to clear supply, fail under, and get in short there. Or do a mix. Add some now and get some if we fail. This is the level though. This is where we failed off of yesterday's session. If you were short yesterday, you were shorting this zone, like between 560, 150, and 562. Ideally, we just fail here. That'd be nice.
Nice, guys.
61. If 561 fails, then this just flushes, but I'm still just in starters. So SPY holding that 561 for now, which is okay. That's not really the main level today. The main level is still simply that 562.
So green here, guys. We're on the right name, the weakest name again. One of the weakest names. The moment spike hits red, this should go. Our risk is anyway defined.
Because we're in these like at the money contracts and it's pre-FOMC, the contracts are gonna hold pretty. I think they're gonna hold pretty well. So our risk is not too wide. We're down about 3%, and we're just in starters. Oh, I do want to see like in an ideal world we tap this 562 and get a strong failure there, and I can build a lot more size there. It's interesting that look at these betas today. A lot of betas are weak. AMD really nice short under 99.50. That was a nice short. Nvidia's it's just sitting there. Apple weak.
Right? Let's see, guys. Still green here. Just want to see a flush here right now at this point. Just has to go.
Right, you said it's important to change your bias, but why do you still think short play although SPY keeps pushing higher? Because we're under supply, right? If I see us start basing above the supply, turning into support, then I would shift my idea, right? Market's holding right now, but we're just holding right under supply. My bias right now is more short bias because we're under this level. My bias is just determined by levels. If we break, then that's it. Then probably long side back into pre-market high 563, maybe 564 today. But if we fail, we have short side back into 560. I
Need
didn't.
to plus us to 75, guys. Every time we drop 100, we just keep doing it, but it's just a timing thing. I think it'll eventually give way. Let's hold this one as risk is like 2%.
Ooh.
Sell.
If you want to be really risk,
There you go. There you go. Come on, flush. Cheetos. Back up 7% here. New low up there. Contract heavy here. Flush. There you go, guys. Nice trade. Hope everyone made money on this. Very small risk. Please scale out and then we can move your stops. Excellent, guys. Excellent. Oh, wow. Put to me if you guys made money on this trade. Take your trims, guys. I'm scaling out most. I had good size on this trade also. 15% on that drop. Now I'm going to just maintain that previous red candle high as my stop, 275.50. So runners will also be green. Okay. Nothing crazy, but this is what I wanted today.
Amazon's strong. You guys see this? Amazon's very strong.
Amazon? Oh no. Right into supply though. Come on. Break. Well.
I don't like that spot keeps turning green in these wick lows here under at 561. The thing is, like when you have supply like this, right? Consolidation under supply, I don't like to see it for too long. I want to see it like tap and dump, and I might do it here. But what I may do, and you guys may dislike this, is I may actually tighten my risk up a lot now. I'm green here right now, and these contracts are. No, I'm not. I'm still down $2 per con. But I may risk tighten a lot, and then look for re-entry if it gets stopped. The reason why is because it should just dump here. It's got to just do it here. But I'll let you guys know. I'm just letting you know what's kind of like what's in my head right now.
We haven't got a single candle close number 561, 64. It's gonna sell.
Yeah, it should do it. Yeah, but that's exactly what I'm saying. Is like that. See what you just said, right? It should sell. So that's. I want to see it just do it here.
Just follow levels, guys. See how Tesla is or how to hold. Remove emotion, just level. Either it works or it doesn't. It doesn't work, small loss. If it works, decent win. That's it. Simple.
Okay, so 561 tap here again. Let's see.
The point today, not gonna get the clean action, clean contract moments. It's all like shit anyway. So just take what you can get.
Yeah, see, this is the flip I didn't want to see. But let's be patient for a second.
Just pray from see. Breaks are not happening. You just gotta catch a little moment.
I was
Not an apply though. If I was going to shot, I would shot here as well on spy.
this is the level. I'm down 5% here. You guys can see how important that 561 is though intraday now. It's becoming more and more important. That's the level we have to lose to see that free flow.
Amazon crazy. Just ripping.
Amazon strong. Where's QQQ? QQQ's at supply? Yeah, Q's are. Q's? No, Q's still have a little room.
Gonna load NVIDIA. What's here?
Oh, they're collabing with Pepsi.
The 113 puts on NVIDIA. 113. I'm just enter here and use the previous candle as stop. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that, guys. I just got filled. My average is 175. I'll just use the previous candle as stop, 113.5, literally risking a few cents. Still holding Tesla runners as well. It's up like 7%. Guys, I just full sold Tesla so I can focus on Nvidia here. Full sold green on that. You guys can keep holding runners if you want. Use 275.30 as stop, that ADMA.
So what the market's looking for right now is looking to see if Amazon can shift, right? Amazon first pull back the view up. I think that's what's going to kind of initiate selling on SPY. Because that's the leader of the day, the leader of the pack, basically. The leader of the pack has to begin to fail. And you are seeing it start here, right? It's tapping the AEMA. So let's see. Yeah, that could be it. Amazon just whipped right back off of AEMA though. Amazon pushing a new high here. All right, guys, I sold my position on SPY at 6% loss. I want to get a re-entry. I'm going to trust my gut here. I see Amazon ripping. Trusting my gut, I'm going to get a re-entry. I want to see Amazon fail. Let this squeeze out first. I'll take my small little scratcher. I want to see this candle squeeze, and then we're going to reshort. I still like the idea here. Just to make it clear. The idea is still very much so valid. I just stopped out of those at minus 6%. Paper cut loss. I want to get a re-entry, but I want to just see this fail first. I don't like too much consolidation here. Undersupply. Let's just be patient. If you want to hold and use the same stop loss, you still could do that, but I'm just letting you know what I'm doing. Watching closely here for re-entry.
I'm in Nvidia still, guys. Down just 3%. 113.5 is my stop. 113.55 maybe, a little above. I think we're gonna flip soon though.
Okay, starting to fail.
Yep. All right, we're back green here. Our risk is literally like 5% or something, guys, on this trade. So keep your size accordingly. I'm not gonna do ads or anything. It's FOMC. Either it works or it doesn't. That's it.
That's so interesting, right? Like they just keep buying back up at 561 off this little level. Let's see what it does here, though. Yeah, it is Meta. It's mostly Amazon though, not really Meta too much. I don't think. Oh no, it is Meta too. It is a little bit of Meta as well. But let's let this candle squeeze out. That's what I think is the most likely scenario. I think this candle has to squeeze out. Okay, 562 tapping here. This is the level.
We're down like 5.5% here, guys, in this position, right at our stop. So this is our risk here. 113.55, 56. Right, and okay, this one. We had a wick there previously. This has to fail here right now.
Qs. You stayed in. You're watching this 562 to see how we fail here. This is the level. I mean, we're still just under the level. The problem is we do have squeeze risk now. That's why I took my small little stop. It may fail here though. It's either gonna fail here or it's gonna fail on a pop of 562 and a reclaim underneath 562. I think the most likely scenario is we do pop 562 though. That's what I'm thinking because we still have names that are holding like Amazon, Meta.
All right, guys, I stopped out of Nvidia here, 6% here, 6.2%.
By 62 reacting though. Amazon under the EMA here.
I'm gonna give it until 11 and then call it. But I don't know if we'll get any moves today because of FOMC.
Let's keep the same Nvidia ready, guys. Candle flips right, I'll get in. Right area, I just don't want to get caught in a chop also.
All right, guys, I got back filled on SPY. I'm filled on SPY at 2.86. I'm in starters again. I'm in starters on SPY. I'm seeing it flip again here. That's kind of what I was looking for, was to see if like these strongest names of the day would actually begin to lose the 8. They are, so. My average is 2.86.
Yeah. See that wick? Or, oh, fuck, I don't want to get filled yet. Let's see. Oh, let's wait for the candle close. 30 seconds to go, guys. I just hope they don't do the same thing that they did in Tesla.
I like our risk though. I really like. I love getting in trades like this where you just have your risk is just you just know it, right? So it's proper. Just need to see the market continue in our favor. If it doesn't continue, then that's just nothing we can really do. We just take our small little stop again. Probably 5-6%, and then we'll have to wait for a failure. But you do want to see us flush down now, right? You want to just use that 562 and change as risk. If we break under this 561.40, that's where we should see 561. Rav, you still in the video? Or you still in the video? Oh, you're still in the video.
This could be it.
It's just such a choppy session. It's just
Not a lot of participation.
Yeah.
Just trying to keep tight rest. That's the thing. It's about timing. Just taking too long.
FOMC chop.
I thought I had the timing right in the second entry, to be honest.
It's okay. Lot of cash flow. Just can't get trends. This should have long Netflix. I was good. Pulled off that 1039. I knew it was big move was coming.
What you don't want to happen today is you don't want to get caught in a squeeze, right? So that's why if you guys saw I took my first exit at 6%, I'm not going to hesitate to exit this if I see it begin to reverse in my not in my favor, right? I'm down $2 here. I'm down 1%. So it's got to fail. It's got to fail here. If it doesn't, then I'll take my little bit of a scratch loss today. It's okay. There will be a lot of opportunities post FOMC. It needs to begin to lose structure though. Like the issue is just the reason why.
And Nvidia's doing it here. I don't know if I want to signal around though. This is the area that's a stop. Let's see.
It's creating higher lows every candle. Yeah, it is.
I guess I got filled here again. 168 is my average. I'll use the 113.55 again as stop. Basically risking 25 cents. Very choppy though, so I just hope this is the right timing this one.
I'll use 561.90 as risk. I'll just use slightly under my level. And we're just gonna trust this idea now. 561.90 risk. No ads anymore, guys. The longer we consolidate under level, you don't want to be building size. So let's just follow our plan.
It just has to go now. No more consolidating. But it's gonna fail, it's gonna fail you.
Amazon finally pulling back. Yeah, Amazon. The reason, part of the reason why I went short too, was because I saw Amazon flipping under the 8 EMA, which is good. Or sorry, under the 5.
Copy. Just sell.
Besant is talking now.
Fed speaker.
Yeah, market usually hates him, so if you get a little thumb.
Yeah, I'm seeing news coming now.
Yeah, Besant. Usually market dumps when he talks.
Keep this action.
Yeah, I will follow my risk though, guys. That 561.90. The thing is, I don't even want to use 562 as a stop loss, because if I use 562 as a stop loss, it's just going to squeeze, right? So if we clear 561.90, I'm just gonna take my scratch, but probably 4 or 5% loss. We should fail though. Like even just looking at this right now, it's just market's just sitting in supply for too long here. Tesla's weak, Nvidia's weak, AMD weak.
It just needs to go now. Like there's like too much of all this. That's the thing. Gonna sell 5 enough. That is good.
All right, down 3.6% here. So that means our risk is like probably literally 5% on this trade, which to me is good. Trey, you probably lost in commissions, man. I hate to tell you, my man, that the commissions suck if you're trading on Thinkorswim. You trade a lot of contracts. You think you ended green, and you just got slapped with a $100 commission charge. That could be it. Commissions will hurt. Dom says, so set one ticket that hasn't done anything for the last hour. Dom, the thing is, right? We're just trading at my level. So if we're trading at my level, I'm going to trade the stock. It's also FOMC, so it's not much. I mean, what else has really moved today, right? Maybe Amazon. Actually, technically, Amazon moved pretty well.
It was fine. I mean, although it was a decent move. It's weak, but it's price like higher day. It's not gonna get the flush. Still holding structure and level. Nvidia's weak. Meta from yesterday's spot it's rejecting. I'm getting frustrated though. So
I'm break even here. If you guys like are nervous or you don't want to risk 5%, and you can just sell a precise break even. There's no worries, guys. It's just you have to understand trading is just risk. It's just risk, and that's all you can do. I think now I'm green, $5 per con. If you want to go buy yourself a little Happy Meal at McDonald's, you can sell.
you get a Happy Meal for $5.
I think they're expensive, man. I think maybe more than $5 actually.
Yeah, I don't think McDonald's is like used to be. Guys, I'm just at break even here. I'm just going to sell. I don't like this. It may work. I'm just like sick and tired of this price action. I just don't believe the data. I just hold at break even here.
Do they still have the dollar menu?
Yeah, but it's like not $1. They call it a value menu.
Um,
All right, I look, guys. I am up $8 per con here. $8 per con.
You guys can follow rules if you want and keep holding, guys. I'm just like, I just don't feel it. I actually had like way too much size also on this Nvidia trade. I had like 40 cons, plus average 60 cons, and 40 of the 113, and then 112 I had another 114. I had another 20. I'm just like, I probably lost on commissions. Yeah, I just mentioned it.
Yeah.
I hope it goes for you guys. So.
This is bullshit.
I also want to try out something.
Guys, I am selling at 7% here, profit. I'm selling half of these at 7%. Call me a pansy. Call me whatever you want to call me.
Andy.
Call me Harry Potter. I don't care. I sold half. 7%. Stop loss is now 561.60. If we lose 561,
I hope we do. I hope we do because Meta everything's better now. So.
yeah, I think we had the right timing on this one.
Oh, baby. So this is the time. I just can't play. I'm just like not patient. So.
13% now in SPY now. We're green nicely. If you want to take more trim, oh fuck it, I'll take more trims too. I'll take some more trims at 13%. 14%. Now we're gonna be in business. 561. Oh come on, don't do that. No, don't wake 561. Fail it here. Wow, okay, good. Now we're in business. But you guys see the timing. The reason why I sold at -6% is because we had like a small chance of a squeeze, and I didn't want to like FAFO, you know.
Oh, look at my fuck.
Up 20% now on SPY. 20-something, 20%.
Well, that you gotta go tag that Dom guy now.
Dom does not like me, man. I don't think he likes me. I don't think he likes Rav. I don't think he likes Mike. I don't think he likes any of us. That's okay.
Hold on. That's why I don't read the chat. I don't know so many characters.
No, but I think Dom actually is. I think he's a good trader, though. I think he's just doesn't like us. All right, dude. I had to catch something. I can't just. You know what I mean? I had to catch like a little bit of something.
You just put pressure on yourself because you didn't catch anything else.
Yeah, dude. But like I caught Spy yesterday myself, but today I didn't want to like. I didn't want to. I wanted to give something today.
Wow, nice move.
Right direction, right bias, everything. And actually, right exit on Nvidia also. See, the contract still kind of like could break even. It didn't participate at SPY. So I was right in my instinctual sell also. It may sell now that we're at lower day. But it
All right,
wasn't.
guys. I'm taking another 25% off at 24%.
I swear, every time that Besson guy talks, the market dumps.
Yeah. Thanks for telling me that, Mike. That actually made me feel a bit better, to be honest.
Every time he talks, the market dumps. It's crazy. Market hates him.
Did you guys catch SPY though? Did you guys hold? Did you guys catch a little piece in the chat? Hopefully people caught a little piece. Even if you made $20, like you're green on an FOMC day, like fine.
That's a nice move.
A good move now.
Yeah.
So far, that matter really moved well. I think if Nvidia and Apple can join the party, his SPY can sell that low, maybe get a trend. But the only thing kind of like holding now. Netflix also holding.
Wow. Okay, now I'm printing. Runners are gonna go crazy now. If we lose 560, watch how quickly this is gonna flip. Look what we said about Amazon. Do you guys remember what we said about Amazon? Look at this Amazon chart. Look what Amazon just did. Lost to 5 EMA. The leader of the pack just lost to 5 EMA. So the 8 EMA. That's like the best case scenario for us. Almost 30% on SPY now.
Oh, that's nice and wow, perfect.
But Kevin, honestly, you say that now, but what if it trailed us out, right? And you didn't get any trims. It's fine to take safe trims. 40% now. Jesus, what the hell's happening?
Yeah. Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, dude. We literally called this shit. We knew that was gonna happen too.
Dude, look at that one. Oh my god, dude. Okay.
Yeah. Oh my god. Look at Amazon.
I am no longer an unhappy fellow. I am an unhappy fellow. I love market. I love everyone.
All right, I full sold mine at 45%.
Oh no.
I sold my position.
Oh my god, dude.
I sold my position at 45%.
Well, I said on like live pre-market, dude. I think we're gonna make money today. Nice.
I'm selling because of Amazon VWAP. But if you guys want to trail stop, use five. If you guys want to be bandits today, absolute bandits, use 560 as a stop loss. That should be expected.
Call it a day, man. After this.
Yeah, we can call it.
NVIDIA also works, guys. We could have just held that, honestly. But as I'm fine. I'm happy. Get back to those numbers again. There's just a little delay there. Now market can sell if NVIDIA and Apple break lows. Tesla's also at lows again.
Oh mother! Watch us go to like 585.
Dude.
I'm gonna feel like a pansy for selling, but it's alright. We're green. Rob, you think I should have held?
You should have held, yeah.
Yeah, I knew he was gonna say that.
But you should have held. Like, there's no reason for you to. That's the thing, though. That's kind of why, like, I was hesitant on NVIDIA and signaled an exit. It's just, it was going to go. It has to go. The timing was right, and that's what the market makers wanted to sell. They should have. And one moment it came, there was no like little wicks and whatnot. It was just about that. But we did well today. Got Tesla, got SPY, Nvidia also worked out if you guys held. So I think
But like the thing is, our risk was 5%. So when you hit 45% on a 5% risk, that to me is like some of the most incredible trades because you can like I had 50 cons. Because even with 50 cons, my risk was $300, 400 buck.
I'll give you guys another hint when you're on live. So if I say, guys, risk is defined, 10% is our stop. I will tell you that is a queue. That means I'm adding more contracts.
Yeah.
All right. So if I say risk is defined, I might not say add more, but that is the queue. All right, for you guys. So when I was saying that for Nvidia, when I said that for Tesla, even yesterday, Friday, when I risk is defined, you were wondering, oh, where will Andrev add size? That is where Andrev will add size. Okay. If I don't say anything, like for example, the first 5-minute candle trade and whatnot, I don't know what my risk is. But let's say once a week, and let's say I'm going for a re-entry, guys, my risk is now defined above this, whatever. The Tesla today, right? That's the key for you guys. This is for traders that know how to trade themselves. There's a real ad come in for a trade signal, I'll give you that. Okay. Yeah. Some of these setups we called it on the pre-market webinar, guys. So go watch that if you haven't already.
Yeah, literally this exact 562 is what we said pre-market too.
No.
Yeah.
Netflix longs also actually work. I didn't read that.
Scalping Revive. You notice this is like I trust my gut when I trade, right? So like I talk myself through positions, and as soon as I lower my risk, I feel so much more confident, right? Because when you're in a trade and you're in like 50 contracts or 20 contracts or 30 contracts and you just don't know your risk, that's like a huge error. So as soon as I realized that like 1040, okay, my risk is just simply 560, 190, everything was better, right? So like you have to begin to do that for yourselves too, is like talk to yourself. You can even talk out loud. Sometimes it may help you. When I'm trading alone, I yap the same amount, probably more I yap.
That's dog's probably sick and tired of him.
Yeah,
This motherfucker don't shut up.
yeah, it's true. My dog is in the back right now.
Oh man, that's hilarious.
But we can call it. Nice trades today. We did well. I think we can probably end on a good note into this FOMC. And
Tesla SPY, Nvidia also. We got the direction right, and most of all trade risk were like 5 to 6%. That's it, max.
yeah,
And we did well. No crazy BS. And yeah. Hey, see you guys tomorrow.
see you guys tomorrow.
Nice trade, Brett. See you guys.
Thank you guys. Bye guys.